Hey mimlichu v'lo mimen. They have appointed a king, but it wasn't from me. Hey Thiru, they have appointed Zorim, officers, leaders. Lo yodod, I did not know. This was the description how it started. How could Yerovam and his henchmen, how could they institute a worship of idols? And they made a king without being many. And everybody says, Som Tosem Olech HaMelech, Som Tosem HaMelech, Asher Yifra Hashem Elech Hopa. And Kodesh Baruch Hu shall appoint him. And nobody has to say, this is the proper name. Lo mimen. And then their leadership, Lo Yedok. Haspom Userovam, Osere Matzah. So the next thing was that their silver and their gold made for themselves idols. Atzabim, we have learned, huh? Yeah, but then after he became Avodah Zorah, they should not have recognized him as a king anymore. So, Oselem Atzabim, Leman Yikor, that they made themselves Atzabim, but Leman Yikor, but all had, in order that be destroyed. All had only one result, destruction.